Mom, if you're watching, I hope you're proud.
We don't have green onions. We are now here in furniture area. Magkano to? 1,000,000. She's currently contemplating if she's gonna buy this for 300,000
Never.
pesos. Char, Korean won.
Let's go.
That's so cool. Where are we going right now?
We're going to a mart to do grocery shopping.
Okay. Look! Baka malaglag ka.
Oh, A4.
We're not yet finished. Look where we are.
We're really aging.
This is so-called adulting. Going to
Diyan sa restaurant.
hot dito.
Kami namin ng friend.
Crazy. Lotte Mart.
Sis, do you know, On the Ons?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
So-so.
I love it.
As a cheapskate, wala pa kaming nabibili. Look, the cart is empty. We've been here for like 15 minutes. Cheapskates. Mom, we miss you. My favorite part. Oh no. I'm tired of holding this. Let me buy my snack. Dark cacao cake. Sis, what do you think? Bibili ako? I'm gonna separate my stuff. Uy, bench! Plastic! Why are you buying plastic?
Because we need to throw them properly and separate plastic.
Let's buy milk. This all as some milk tea. You want that, right? Also, that's a different brand. My apologies. Good for this, let's try. Let's try. You wanna try? Kamala. Ajuma gave me free taste. We have kimchi, right? We don't have green onions. Alright. Green onions. Ang weird ng mangga nila. Ganyan ba yung mangga from Korea? Vietnam? Oh, look how big mangoes are from Vietnam. What is that for?
Chicken breast. Alam mo yung meron kasi akong bibili kasi ako na maliliit na tomato. Tapos inano ko yung minash, niluto. Ito lang nilagay ko. Ang sarap. Talaga. Mag-spaghetti sana ako kasi hindi ko nilagay ng pasta. Just chicken and tomato.
So, ba't mo binalik? Storytelling lang, gano'n.
Do you wanna buy? Pag magpapasta na tayo.
Sige. Chicken Alfredo, right? Oh, wine! Are we going to drink? Walang free taste. Siso. Ang galing, parang laruan. Is this real? Whoa! Grabe, ang dry ng kamay ko. This is me, Lottie Lori. So cute. So cute like me. Oh my God, ang tagal.
Sis, kung tinutulungan mo pa ako.
I'm taking a video.
Nagdala kami ng sardine namin plastic. Dessert cake. Pwede na ako mag-work dito. Ito maging na soup.
Ma'am Sep, tapos na po. Let me experience. Ang mahal. My gosh, parang ayoko nang mag-scan. Parang laki yung bill. We're done grocery shopping. We should take some. Yes. We're finally going outside. Oh no! Anong temperature kaya? May cash kasi? Wala. Sis, ang ganda mo ngayon. It's because of the cold. And maybe your hair. Batiin mo din ako. Buying some last minute kitchenware except this one. Let's go. Let's go? Rubber. Anong tawag dito? Rubber wood? Like the Pitan Arcade. That's too big.
해당 상품을 셀프 계산대 중앙에 있는 자성 제거기에 대고 문질러 주세요.
Don't you think the camera is a bit shaky?
Okay, I'll try to be stable.
Shoot.
3 pieces. People are watching, but I don't care.
Sir. What the hell?
You ruined it. Oh, that's too much. I hate salty food. Patay ko na. Isa pa, di ba may I don't think so. Hindi yata. Saka kaya kung nagawa natin. 1, 2, 3. Feeling ko hindi siya dapat. Okay, stop showing. Mom, I hope you're proud. Wait, hindi natin na-introduce na yung lulutuin. We're having kimchi bukumbap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ang sakit nun ha. Ipasa ako. Lagyan mo na yung salt. That's just not food salt. I'm fine without salt. No salt. 1, 2, 3. Oil. Pag nilagay mo to, I think. So, no, hindi pa. Kakabukas ko lang.
Ito na yung oil niya.
Okay. I trust you.
Okay na?
I think so. I love your pan. Oh, maybe a little bit faster. Bawang muna ata.
Mom, I'm sorry. Gosh, I hope we're doing this right. Bakit ganon? Parang hindi natin. Oh, favorite ko to. Gusto ko siya, no? We're not sure sa ginagawa namin.
Kasi ano kaya man?
Sis, we want one at a time. I think lahat dapat. Isa lang. No oil kasi eh.
It's time to put
Let's go. More please para mag-oil. Hindi ko malakas. So I should add more. So we are food for the next weeks. Did you learn this recipe?
perfect few minutes.
Just few minutes ago, so please don't judge us. Mom, if you're watching, I hope you're proud. Are you fine here? This is how I cook. Ang bahay. Oh! Oh no! Sinulit niya po. Kimchi, let's go.
Ako na yung magluluto.
Display lang ako.
Ito yung algo.
Yeah. Baka mangaw. Pwede mo. Ubusin mo? Oh no! We're a mess. Siguro hindi ko na ito i-upload. This is so embarrassing.
Unti-unti na lang yun.
Bakit puro tutong? What the
We discovered.
I discovered? Title ng video na ito ay Messy Kitchen. Messy Kitchen series. Pero ito na yung episode. Never again. Pasta ka pa. Truffle pa. Kaya pala yung mga tao bumibili na lang.
Alam ko yung malalagay sa comment. Humit ka ng bonus tip. Humit ka nga sa akin pa.
Ikaw bumili. Unang pala desisyon ang future later.
That's so funny. But we don't have cheese.
Kimchi sauce. 1, 2, 3, go. Parang kulang. Siguro na yung mga kanin.
Pinaus pa ito ko lang.
Pero ginawa.
Wala na. Kailangan mo na i-settle.
Para po sa mga hindi nakakakalaga, kimchi fried rice. So, you have sesame oil? Super brand new sesame oil. It's too much. More kim. Dapat maliliit. For the record, this is made by Sissy. Like this. And this is made by me. Takpan natin. Is this okay? Yeah. Oh, hindi ko din painting. That's okay, you can take a picture. kimchi fried rice. But your hair is kind of messy. That's our pure hard work. We made it from scratch, even kimchi. Joke. Is it good? From 1 to 10?
5.
Why?
Pabebe.
Hindi ka naman ganyan tumawa. Pakita mo kung sino ka talaga. Second take.
Yes, nag-shooting.
Shooting kami kay drama to. Trying out the cinematics.
Is it much better?
I think so. From 1 to 10 again.
5 na.
Okay, for the second take, 5 pa din. Hindi nagbago. Please, hindi ka ganyan tumawa.
I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. 'Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. 'Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn. Back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do.